If I say good quality sounding, top part you put on the 0. A lot of guys they say, hey, Mike, I don't need the Bluetooth output from the. Can you guys hear any music? No, right? I was listening to grinding music when I'm sleeping, and finally when I came here, I find out this is what's going on in my room, right? So as you can see, this is, I clean up this white lane, was a lot, but as you can see, we are missing something here on the cartridge. So that cartridge is gone. Somebody left this plane here, and that's it. Audio keeper. They sent me brand new high definition cartridge, and we're gonna mount this and we're gonna play some music. All right, today we're gonna review two exactly same turntables from Audio Keeper. This unit sent me to review from the Audio Keeper, and I gave them a lot of suggestions what to improve the unit, and actually they improved a lot. Now we have a version 2. This is ICE1 version 2, ICE1 version 3 from Genesis Audio Keeper, right? So now, as you can see, fit and finish quality exactly the same, nothing worse. They didn't try to save any money. It's like perfectly beautiful, minimalistic looking turntables, right? Dust cover on the both sides. Dust cover, it doesn't hold upright. All right, for next generation, I asked them to make dust cover stays upright a little bit, but yeah, maybe this one's gonna be a lot smoother, a lot better. So they have a little bit improvement or not, I don't know. So dust cover, it still goes down. So now cartridges, the both it's using Audio Technica from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So they sound really good. If your turntable doesn't sound amazing, clean, and very good, this is the video for you. I'm gonna show you how to tune, how to connect, and how to enjoy our audio quality from the turntable, right? All right, this is the counterweight I'm talking about. Now we have all the way up, all the way out, right? Didn't go to the groove. So how you balance it, you have to get in the minimum. Now this part has to be balanced out, but it's not balancing. Even if I remove this cartridge protector, it should be just a balance. After the balance, depending on your cartridge weight, so you have to tune this part, right? Top part you put on the 0, and you start tuning slowly how many grams needs to push down this part. That's we're gonna figure out by listening to music, right? And this part is good. When you go down, it goes slowly down, it goes up, and when you move, it's gonna be lockable here. So very good. This part you can remove it. I wish to just keep it, but if you remove it, it's going to be something like this beautiful, nice looking turntable here. So now what they did in the version 2 versus version 1, they improved the Bluetooth outputs. So a lot of guys, they say, hey, Mike, I don't need the Bluetooth output from the turntable, but trust me, many people has entire nice collection and they will listen a lot of vinyls a lot of time. But now the Bluetooth output is good, from upgrade from the 5.1 to 5.3. You can use your high definition headphones, you can use your Bluetooth speaker when you have party outside or you enjoy like longer range. So Bluetooth Bluetooth 5.3. It's going to be a lot stable signal connection, so it's going to be a lot better sound quality. It's all over a better user experience. Also, they upgrade the circuit board. On this turntable, output power, its output voltage is going to be a little bit less. Now they upgrade the circuit board, so it's going to be sound quality even better. It's supposed to be. I'm going to play the music and I'm going to show you what I think. So now, only thing I'm a little bit confused about the both side, counterbalance is a little bit less weight than, it's enough weight to push, but to balance your arm has to be like a balance, and you have to fine tune. I able to tune the fine tune, but it's not the digital, but you're listening the music like fine, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. But how's the fine tune? You put the balance, the arm, counter arm here, the balance it, and you will turn by how many grams you want to put depending on your cartridge. If you replace the cartridge, so each cartridge has 2.5 grams, 3 grams, 5 grams, or 1 gram, the load, so you have to adjust that. The balance is more than enough to put the cartridge down, but I able to, you know, adjust it. So you can replace the cartridge, both is the standard cartridge. Alignment of the cartridge, right? It's both the alignment, you can align the cartridge, but the both, it's going to be easy alignment, and it has a lot of room to align the different, you know, aftermarket cartridge. But I never think about the changing the cartridge. Cartridges are very good sounding cartridge, even comes with it. The both is a brushless motor, very quiet brushless motor, sounds really good. You don't hear any motor hissing and anything like that. Sounds good. For the price they're offering right now, under $1,000, very hard to compare the other companies to come in. I did a couple videos with the Target turntables, so those are like under $300, but those ones are garbage. Like, it's everything looks cheap, built cheap, feels cheap, right? Everything. But on this one, you can see like a premium quality on all over the place, except just the cartridge head side, the plastic, I think. Other than that, if you just touch it, you feel it, but other than that, it feels very good. So now on the back, they upgrade the circuit board, but they keep the phono out. So if you have already existing setup, if you want to swap your turntable, you can freely do it, and you can have analog audio out, Bluetooth out, and you have just a phono out. So they didn't remove the phono. So if you have, again, system is already set the phono out. Do you see this? Everything, it sits on the back. I struggle to find any changes. For example, on the back, you see the phono out, analog out, Bluetooth out, and you have a switch here, phono move, lane out, or you can do the Bluetooth, right? As a PC, this is a speed. You have a 33 and 45. You have auto out. I'm gonna automatic shuts stop and shuts off. It's very, very good. Pitch adjustments here, power and turn on and off. So now my suggestion to do that, just the labels on these switches put up right here on the top, just the labels. You can include just a label sticker. I'm gonna write down what the positions are on this, because when I install on the stand, I cannot see, I don't know what's going on right here, right? Even the power, we don't have any LEDs, anything like that, so I cannot see the power. So if I have here on and off, I can just touch it, then I can move it because I know what the stickers are. All right, so overall, great products. I'm gonna connect to the system. I will play copyright music, so I cannot make any money from this video because YouTube is going to strike me with the copyright, and maybe I'm going to remove the copyright, or I'm going to just play the music whatever it has. So wish me luck on this one. Is the copyright thing is very hard to, you know, avoid. And also reviewing the products like this, if I say good quality sounding the table or anything that sounds good, it means they sounds good. I did so many videos on my channel, very expensive stuff, very cheap stuff. I mean, speakers, sound system, amplifiers, all that stuff, right? I do a lot of reviews, and some of them really sound bad. So let me connect this turntable in, and we're gonna play some music. Alright guys, as you can see, we did tons of tests. Of course, the companies keep improving their products, and for the future generations, of course, they're gonna add more. There's a huge plus is the company listening the There's a huge plus is the company listening their buyers and they keep improving their products, right? The sound quality is good. Again, if you don't have a CD sound quality from your turntable, it's something wrong on your system, right? So you can constantly readjust it, retune it, so you're gonna have really good sound quality from your turntables. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna re-record this part with the music part because the copyright issues with the YouTube, we're gonna find out. If the YouTube doesn't allow me to play those musics, I'm gonna redo it again and we're gonna play different music. If you're interested in some products like this, I put the coupon code on description and you can subscribe to my channel. If anything newer products came up from this company or a different company, definitely I will add to my channel the content. Hope this video helps you guys. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe it. It's gonna help me a lot to improve this channel, and I'm gonna bring more interesting products to this channel. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.